Hello, did you know that ovulation is that period when an egg has been released? Did you know that ovulation means the specific time when you are most likely to get pregnant? Well, in today's video lesson, we are going to talk about ovulation. We are going to answer all your questions about ovulation, and without further ado, we shall begin talking about ovulation. I welcome you to my channel. If it is your first time on this channel, I welcome you, my friend. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. This channel, we talk about the ovulation calendar, we talk about the ovulation calculator, and then we do answer all your questions. So we are talking about ovulation. Ovulation specifically means the release of a mature egg, the release of a mature follicle. We call this ovulation. What happens is that during ovulation, an egg that began from a very small stage known as the primary follicle, it goes on and it matures and it is released on the 14th day, and the release of this egg is what we call ovulation. Ovulation is controlled by two hormones. The first hormone is known as estrogen, and then the next hormone is known as luteinizing hormone. Estrogen plays a very small role, but the luteinizing hormone, also known as LH, it plays a very big role. It is the hormone that is responsible for your egg maturing very well. So if you are a couple, if you are a woman, and you have been asking yourself why you are not ovulating, the answer is very simple. You need to have your levels of the luteinizing hormone checked, and after the levels have been checked, you will be able to get treatment, and then you'll be able to get pregnant. We are talking about ovulation, and we have said that during ovulation, a mature egg has been released, or a mature egg is released, and the release of a mature egg is brought about by a hormone also known as luteinizing hormone, or LH. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. Remember, you can talk to me if you have any question. You have a question about fertility, you have a question about how you can get pregnant faster, you've done the ultrasound scan and you do not understand the reports, I can interpret the reports for you. I can advise you on the best and simple ways of getting pregnant faster. Naturally, many of my clients are appreciating, many of our clients are getting pregnant by God's grace, and they are getting the right information, they are getting the right advice from the experts, and you can get pregnant too. Just go to the description of this video and click on that link. You will book your consultation. The good thing about consulting me is that the consultation fee is not fixed. You can pay whichever amount you can afford. You can even pay $1. There's no problem. The issue, or the main point, is not the money. The main point is the information you are going to get, and at the end of the day, when you get pregnant, we shall be happy for you, and we shall also be very, very glad that you have got pregnant. So talk to me today, book your consultation. Many of my clients are getting answers within minutes. After booking, you join me on WhatsApp. I will answer all your questions. Gerard Massa, the health educator, the fertility expert. I'm really so happy that you have watched today's video about ovulation, and I believe at this point you now know everything about ovulation. At least you have the basic knowledge about ovulation. I'll come back tomorrow with another video about a different topic, but still related to how you can get pregnant faster. So for you not to miss tomorrow's video, make sure that you subscribe so that you do not miss any videos I release every day at 17 hours every day East African time. Have yourself a fantastic and healthy day, and may God bless us all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.